Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So if you are putting effort into creating videos but is still not getting the reach you expect, the problem might be not your content, it could be your timing. On YouTube, when you post matters just as much as what you post. It's like it should be the right time when you are posting. Okay? But here's the good news that you don't have to guess anymore. YouTube already shows exactly when your audience is most active. Inside your analytics, you can see this analytics. I am in my YouTube studio. You can see this right here. Okay. Inside your analytics, you can just see this right here. There is a powerful feature called the audience heat map. You can see inside analytics, I went into audience. Okay. Through audience, now you can see this. So there is a powerful feature called the audience heat map. This visual graph helps you understand when the highest, okay, you can see this. So this visual graph will help you understand when the highest number of your viewers are online, and that would be your peak time to post a video. Okay, so you can see the darker the color on the heat map, you can see this, the darker color is there, the more active. So the darker the color is, your audience will be the most active. Okay, and that's your golden window actually. So if I talk, let's just talk about days. If it's today it's Saturday, so if I want to post a video today, so firstly I will check time. You can see some of your viewers, but this is the darkest color, right? It's like for Saturday it's 3 p.m. Then you can see some light colors are there. This is very less here, very like blur kind of line, that blur is there, that is very less people would be there. Okay, you can just see this, your golden window. That's your golden video. The peak time when you posting your video gives the best chance to perform well right from the start. So when you post a video, suppose if you have 500 subscribers and even 50 to 100 are people are there, even if they are not going to watch the full video, if they are just watching a few seconds, or even if it's coming in their say home page, it will count in impressions. Maybe you won't get a view from 500, you can get at least 10 to 20 views within that with that peak hour. Okay, so in this video I'll show you exactly how to read this heat map and use it to choose the perfect time to upload your video. So here you can see this, I already told you about the color. See here, that means you should not post any video during this hour. You can see these white lines are there. Okay, 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m., then 8 a.m. some little audience is there for Thursday and Friday, they are there. But if I talk about peak days, so for Sunday I can say there is no peak hour actually. It's like people, if I want to post on Sunday, I'll choose this time or maybe this time. For Monday, so you can see this time is good, but the peak hour would be this. You can see this 8 p.m. It's upon, like, it is basically related to my audience watch hour, watch time, and my audience, that is my subscribers also, and also some people who are joining me from, not from my network, but they are on YouTube but they have not subscribed me. Okay, now for Tuesday you can see there is no peak hour, just that if I want to post I can choose 12 p.m., or maybe I can go for this timing. You can see this 3 p.m. Now for Wednesday, I have two peak timings, 8 p.m. and then 9 p.m. Okay. For Thursday, see, I won't post in these timings, 4 p.m. But still, on Thursday also there is no peak hour. On Friday also there is no peak hour, but on Saturday it's on 3 p.m. that I have missed for today. But still, I used to post video because I create videos based on the demand. I don't post videos to get like number of like highly viewers, because see, obviously everybody wants just that. I used to cover issues. If you are having some issue, you can just comment below, or maybe if I am reading your comment at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. or maybe 2 a.m., I'll cover that video and post it then and there. But if you want to post your video at peak time, so for Saturday I am about to post a video, but instead of posting now, I'll post it at 9 p.m. You can see this. That is, if I talk about weekly, on a weekly basis, I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5 5 peak times. Okay, It's not that on a daily basis we will be getting peak times. It's not that like that. Maybe for for this week it is based on my last 28 days viewers say behavior, or when they are online or when they are engaging with the videos that time. Here you can see this. Okay, shorts also, you can see this live nobody watch, every format your viewers watch on YouTube, you can just see this. Okay, then gender basis is also there, female 31% and male 68. Wow, 68.36%. Okay, that's great, good to know. Now mobile phone, you can see 79.2% people are using mobile phone, while computer 19.4, tablet 0.9, TV 0.5%. I would like to know who is watching me on TV. If you are the one, please let me know. I would be glad to see myself. um, People are watching me in TV, so that's truly good to read. You can see this right here. Watch time hour on TV 1.2, views 79 views. Okay, percentage average percentage 18.2. Okay, don't go with the revenue part. I'll cover another video because I would like to share about my revenue too. Okay, so don't get into it. I'll share it in detail. So yeah, this is something that can help you, to understand your analytics better, to make you understand what's the peak time for you to upload a video. And yeah, you can see this too. Top subtitle, no subtitles, English, Hindi, English, India, Arabic. Okay, you can see here age group also. Here you can see, so till 35 to 44. Okay, that is elder citizens are not enjoying my videos. Said to know. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know the peak time, just get into your analytics in by YouTube Studio. You can see it this here. YouTube Studio, get into your analytics, get into audience. You can see this right here. Inside audience, you need to just scroll it down, and you can see here on heat map. Just look for this heat map, understand it. If it is blurred, that is white line, that is it's not good. If you are posting a video during that hour, look for this dark color. You can see this dark color, right? This dark color, right? Dark color, dark color. Look for these dark colors and then post your videos during these hours. I hope I'm very much clear about the topic. So if you have any doubt on the same, or if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. So yeah, I hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.